In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Favorites bar in Microsoft Edge. If you like quick access to your most visited sites, the Favorites bar is a simple way to keep them just one click away. I'll walk you through the exact setting to turn it on or off, and explain what each option means so you can pick the one that fits your workflow. Start by launching Microsoft Edge on your computer. Any recent version will work, and the steps look the same whether you're on Windows or Mac OS. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This opens the main menu, sometimes labeled Settings and More. It's where Edge keeps most of its customization options. From that menu, click Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Edge's preferences. Don't worry, everything you change here can be adjusted again later if you want to experiment. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, click Appearance. Appearance controls how the browser looks and what shows up on your toolbars, so this is where the Favorites bar setting lives. Now, scroll down the Appearance page until you reach the section called Customize Toolbar. This section includes toggles for buttons and toolbars, and it's where you'll find the control for the Favorites bar. Look for the option labeled Show Favorites bar. Next to it is a drop-down menu that lets you choose how the bar behaves. You have three choices. Always keeps the Favorites bar visible on every page, which is great if you rely on it throughout the day and want your favorite sites available at all times. Never hides the bar completely for a cleaner, more minimal browsing experience, which can free up screen space if you don't use favorites often or prefer using the address bar to search. Only on new tabs strikes a nice balance. The bar appears on the new tab page where you might be organizing or launching sites, then hides itself when you navigate to a web page, giving you more room to read without distractions. As soon as you make a selection, Edge applies the change immediately. There's no need to restart the browser. If your device is managed by an organization, you might see some options locked. In that case, the setting could be controlled by your administrator. That's all there is to it. By choosing the option that matches your style, always, never, or only on new tabs, you can tailor Microsoft Edge to be as streamlined or as accessible as you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a browser that works the way you do.